Here we are in the old stamping facility. It's around 110,000 square foot area. We're standing in the high bay area, which is one of 3 areas in the plant. You can see how dark it is in here. Not too much light reflectance from anything. Ceilings particularly, which is the largest surface area. The floor has a buildup of grease, 1/4 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch all over the floor. And the smell of old grease and oils and whatnot from 20 years of stamping activity that went on. We've been hired, Induspray has been hired by a client who's attempting to either sell or release this building once it's been cleaned up. Right now it doesn't give a very good presentation. Everything looks pretty worn out. Strong smell of all oils and grease. They've got the old pit holes in the floor where the machinery used to sit. They go down about 20 feet. So they all have to be filled in as well. Put some gravel down there, pour concrete on top and trowel it smooth. And when we're all done, this place is going to look like a brand new facility, and hopefully they'll get some good action and get it sold or released. Well, we're in the low bay right now, the long crane bay. It's actually the best condition section of the whole building, but it still does need quite a bit of work to it. Same old oil smell in here, built up grease and oils on the floor, pretty worn out. You can see the stones and the agate starting to show through on the floor. So that's all going to be dealt with so that the new tenant or owner will have a facility they can work with. We've been hired by the owners to clean the place up, make it look presentable, and hopefully either sell it or release it, which shouldn't be too hard. This place will have very great curb appeal by the time we're done with it, about 2 to 3 weeks from now. I'll just show you the floor again, how dirty the floor is, if you can see that. I'm not sure how well you can see it on the video here, but it's got a thick layer of grease, 1/4 of an inch all the way throughout it. So we're going to be going through special scarifying machines to clean up that grease, blast the floor, shot blast equipment, and then coat the floor with 2 coats of 100% solids epoxy. You can see how dark the ceilings are as well. Not very much light reflectance at all in here. Basically what 20 years of heavy stamping will do to any plant. all done now. Place looks fantastic. Looks like a new building now. Nice new floors, clean ceilings, painted ceilings, columns.